I'm gonna do a science project that explains, does a plant grow bigger if watered by soda, milk, or water? So I'm going to put these plants inside these pots for the plants. So I have my plants here and my cups here, and I'm going to mark the cups with this: 1 soda, 1 milk, and 1 water to make sure I don't confuse the cups and put milk in one and then the next day I put soda in the same cup. So this one's gonna be look, soda. This one's soda, and next I'm gonna do milk. I'm on the L and then K. Milk. I won't confuse that. And last, I'm gonna do water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. So now that I'm done labeling the cups with the plant, I'm going to put the sand inside the plant and the cup, and then I'm gonna put the plant inside. Now I'm gonna put the plants in. This is gonna be water. Put inside. This is going to be for the soda. Put this inside, and this is going to be for milk. Now I'm finished making the plants, and I'm going to feed 1 water, this one soda, and this one milk. So I'm going, as it grows, I'm going to show you the progress results. I'll keep you posted. Keep watching. Hi guys. Today is my first day of feeding my plants. I'm going to feed 1 with soda, 1 with milk, and 1 with water. This one with soda, this one with milk, and this one with water. I'm gonna make a prediction. The water is gonna grow the most. Okay, so I have to be really careful so it doesn't spill. I'm going to put water down and milk down so I don't spill it. This is really nice. I'm doing a good job. Oh, I poured a little bit. Now it's going down. I wonder if it's gonna grow. It's going down when I pour it. When I pour a lot. Oh, look! When I poured a lot, it went down. I guess it's going down in the soil. I wonder if it's gonna grow. I think it's just gonna make it go down. Soda's not good for us, so soda's not good for plants. Soda is just like humans. It just doesn't look like human. Oh, that was a lot. It's drinking. Okay, it didn't go down that much. It's going a lot slower. Maybe it's full, but I have to give it more. Ooh, this plant. I'm almost finished with the soda. Again. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Okay, while this is going down, I'm gonna put the soda down and focus with the water. I'm gonna make the little one. And then water. I think it's gonna grow. It's already bigger than the soda and the milk. I don't want to destroy it. Oopsies. At least it didn't spill that much. Now I'm gonna go back to the soda. Soda's much easier. It's going down. Okay, I only have a little bit of the soda left. Let me just pour out. Okay, I only have a little bit. Okay, while it's going down, I'm gonna do milk. Yeah, milk. Let me turn it. Where is it supposed to go? I guess here. Whoa. Soda. Let me put it in here next. Let me see. Oh, this could go in here. Now I'm gonna turn it again to put it here. I could put it more in. Whoa, it's finished already. Now all we have left is the water. I'm gonna put the water in. Is this a nice place? I guess so. Well, this is even better. I'm gonna put it. Can't see. It's good. It's nice taking care of a plant. You only have a little bit left and ready to pour over it. I'm done. Water. So I'm going to take care of it tomorrow as well. Hi guys, today I'm going to feed the plants again. So I wrote down the plant's name. This is the water plant, this is a milk plant, and this is the soda plant. Right now the one that's growing the tallest is water plant. I knew water was going to grow the tallest. I will feed the plants again with water, milk, and soda, and I will continue to keep watching. First, I'm gonna do water. Oh, you're doing it nicely. Milk, but I noticed that the milk is actually growing down. So I hope this one will keep it bigger.
This is going well. I haven't spilled too much. I'm just so. I'm gonna move it here.
Guys, today I'm going to give you the updates of what's happening to these 3 plants. Well, I've noticed that a few days ago the soda plant was even bigger than the water plant, and now it's just drooping down. And I've also noticed that it's not fully it hasn't fully run down, made the soda go down because when I put my finger in the dirt a little bit, I still feel it's like liquid, so it hasn't gone down correctly yet. But all of the water plant and the milk plant has already gone down, except all of these 3 plants have gone down except the milk plant, except the soda plants. And also the milk plant has been like this like 4 days ago, and now I'm seeing that the leaves are turning brown right here and right here. So I thought the soda plant would be the one that was going to be least down, and the water plant was going to be like here, and the milk plant was going to be like here. But I've noticed that the one in second place was the soda one, and the one in first place was the water one. I didn't know the milk one was going to be so droopy. And for the water one, I've noticed that it's always been up this whole entire time. Look, it's all the way here to here. Oh! And the water one has been perfect this whole entire time. It hasn't had droopy leaves. It hasn't been the size like this. And the water has been going down nicely, not like the soda one. But with these 2, I don't know what's happening with them. They have brown leaves, they're droopy, and they aren't going down correctly. I don't know. The water one is doing fine, just fine, but these 2, I do not know what's going on with them. I do not know if they're going to be dead or whatever. But I'm not going to tell you until I find out the results. Right now, the water one is the perfect one. The milk one is not really good. It's not the best one. It's not very good. Milk has very bad problems right now, so I'm going to feed it to help it get better. I wonder if this feed's gonna help it get better. Oh, I'm going to take the water and soda out of the way so they don't bother me. Go put it here. This doesn't look good. It's like the white is showing down there. I see that. Now I'm going to pour it in this place. I've always poured it in there. Maybe it's still bubbling here. So I'm just going to turn it to a different place. Today I'm going to feed the plants again, except the soda plant, because the soda plant still has soda in it, after 2 days, I guess. So I'm not going to feed this plant. The milk plant and the soda plant smell terrible, and the soda plant and milk plant is drooping. But the water plant is still growing, and the water plant smells good. But I'm still going to feed the milk plant, although it's not very good anymore. I'm going to feed the milk plant a little bit of milk, but I'm going to feed the whole water to the water plant, because the water plant is using the water. It smells good and it's still growing. So right now I don't really like the soda plant or the milk plant. I'm not saying that I hate them, but I just don't like the smell of them, and they're just drooping and everything. But I like the water plant. I like the water plant 100%. It's still growing. It smells great, and I could feed the water plant because it's actually using the water. The end result of my science project. Does a plant grow biggest if watered by soda, milk, or water? My hypothesis was right. I thought water plant would grow the biggest. And that completes the project. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and comment to my videos. It goes a long way into helping my channel. Don't forget to like. Till I come your way next time, it's me, your girl, Queen Esther. Thank you for watching. Bye.